Hello friends, my name is Geeta Lunia. I live in Mumbai. It's very warm and happy. Good afternoon to you all and my respected sir. So today's my topic is a man without an education and massive action being headed to delusion. Means confused. Yes. I'm so glad that I get this opportunity to share my views on this topic. And yes, I am completely agree with this statement. So, before start, I would like to share something. Like according to my perception, there are two type of education. The first we get from college and school, and the second education we take for our passion, for our life goal, career goal, right? For example, I have completed my graduation in BCom and now at present I am working as a hairdresser cum makeup artist. So both the education is differ from each other, and before entering this field I educate myself first and then I start this as a career, right? So means how we cannot be confused and how we take a massive action towards our goal. So we discuss on that points. So let's start. The first point is, friends, many times we are being repressive by our family, friends, by close ones, the negative people also, right? So don't be repressive from anyone, by anyone. Take your decision, think on it, choose your path. Yes, and before that, never take your decision with anyone's repression. Yes, take your own decision and step out towards it. The second point is certitude. Develop certitude inside you. Yes, with the help of certitude you can do anything impossible thing. Yes, you can do anything what you think in your mind. My mentor said me that if you have less word while speaking, so that time your confidence talks. So be confident. Yes, and develop confidence, develop certitude inside you. The third point is ingenuity. Be ingenuity. Yes, friends, to achieve our goal we have to positive approach towards life. So our right brain always help us to think in a positive way. Yes, and our right brain provide us different type of creative ideas that help us to achieve and that help us to do a different type of any impossible thing. With the help of creative ideas we can do anything, right? Yes, so develop ingenuous think inside you. Yes, be ingenious. Yes. So the fourth point is, that is most important point, like you have a positive approach. So keep yourself away from iniquitous people, iniquitous quality, right? Because being iniquitous we can't succeed in our life. So keep yourself away from iniquitousness. Yes, value your life, value your time. Yes. So that's it, friend. With the help of this point, with the implementation of this point, I would say that we definitely achieve our goal. Yes. So thank you, friends. Thank you for listening me. And before say bye bye, I would like to say, stay healthy, stay motivated, develop your self image and stay healthy. Yes. Always keep smile. Yes. And start your day with supplication. Bye bye, friends.